Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing some pack openings. We're going to be getting 10 packs with the guaranteed triple rare ticket, Gacha. And then after that we're going to go in here, we're going to get 20 packs from this, out of the 40 packs we've got over here at the bottom. And then we are going to get ourselves a guaranteed SP card. A guaranteed SP double rare. So, we're going to try and go for Eradicators to finish that off. The Eradicator deck is very close to being finished, so we shall see what we get from this. This is the 1000 paid gems, and another triple rare already. Very good. Nice little Perigard for Nova Grapplers. I believe we'll already get 4 of that. That's the new triple rare. Oh, very good. That is the Eradicator, which is the on-play Card Blast 2, retire an opponent's rearguard. And there's also the Eradicator that is 9k that gets plus 3k if you've got an Eradicator Vanguard. So both those, very nice. We really needed that. Oh, there's a Blaster Blade. That's nice. That is the 3rd Blaster Blade I think we have. You don't really need more than 2 of them, but it's nice to have. Nothing from those packs. I mean, plenty of commons and rares, but it's more the foils we care about. We don't really care about the commons and rares. We've already got playsets of all of them. And the amount of packs that a normal player opens. Just me, or are we suffering a little bit of lag here? Nothing there as well. So yeah, as you can see, we've got a playset of almost everything. This guy is brand new, which we really needed. I was going to make an SP of this guy if we didn't pull any, so I'm glad that we did. We've already got 4 of this guy, which is very nice. And yep, that is the 3rd Blaster Blade Liberator. I've actually got the alternate art Blaster Blade Liberator as well, so that's actually 4 of them. And the rest of these, I think it's, with the exception of 1 foil rare. Oh, and a couple of foil commons, okay. But a lot of that was all just repeats. So we're going to go in, and there's the guaranteed triple rare Gacha ticket. Here's why we only need to get 19 tickets because, alright, in order to get the ticket, you need to come out of this menu. I was wondering where our free triple rare was. I was like, hang on, missing a card here. Right, let's go into the gift box and claim. There we are, there's a guaranteed triple rare ticket. Let's go into the shop. Now what we would like is a Gauntlet Buster. We also wouldn't mind an Artemis for Genesis. We're still missing a playset of Gancelot. Is it Gancelot? Yeah, for Gold Paladins, the Break Ride. There's a few cards there that we could use. Let's just see what we get. Okay, what do you have for us? It's guaranteed triple rare, so we're going to go all the way up to triple rare. Oh, it's a double. And the Lightning Bolt. Does that mean a double rare and... Oh well, there's an Artemis already. And a Liberator Break Ride. Oh, and the Liberator that's on hit Card Blast 1 called top card of your deck. Oh, that's all very good, actually. Let's see, is this the 3rd one? Yep, it's the 3rd one of him. And this is our very first Artemis. So that is quite nice. Good. 2 triple rares. Unexpected. 2 triple rares and a double rare from 1 pack. I'm glad I got that on camera because that's the kind of thing you don't see very often. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So we'll go for 9 first, and then we shall do the 10. Oh, another triple rare. Wow. We're getting all the triple rares today. I wouldn't mind more of that grade 2 Eradicator. That is the grade 3 for Genesis. I believe it's when it attacks Soul Blast 3, it gets +5 and +1 critical. Oh, that's the 4th one of him. That's really good. Liberators are becoming quite strong now. Oh, that's an SP. That will go very nice with our grade 3 Artemis. That is the grade 2 part of the Genesis right chain. That's very cool. Oh, and there's Alfred as well. I was about to say King of Knights Alfred, but it's not King of Knights. That's very nice. Twilight Hunter Artemis. There's the lovely SP artwork of her. That's very cool. And this is the 4th one of him, which is very nice. And the rest of these are all things we already owned, I'm pretty sure. Yes, very good. Okay, so 10 more packs. And that will be 30 packs, I believe. Which should give us a guaranteed SP of our choosing. Another triple rare. Wow. This is some incredibly powerful luck. And another Gancelot. Wow, that's really good. Wow. Liberators are going to be almost real. Oh my goodness. And the guaranteed lightning bolt as well. Well, that is our 5th Blaster Blade. Game is really pushing me towards Liberators for some reason today. Oh my god! I think that might be the playset of him. I think that's playset of Gancelot now. There we go, that's the grade 1. When called from deck, so blast 1 and draw a card, I believe. And it's the Genesis grade 3, so blast 3 to get +5,000, +1 crit when she declares an attack. Nothing there, going to try and hurry this up a little bit. Try and get the video to about 10 minutes-ish. Before it turns into a 20-minute long video. Ah, that's the wrong Eradicator. That's the one we already have. I think I've built like 6 of him now. Oh, I accidentally skipped that animation. Wow, and there's a 6th Blaster Blade, which we didn't need. And yeah, this is it. This is 4 of them. Wow, that's really cool. It's very cool. Okay, we'll go back into the shop. We should have the SP medals now. We're going to buy another one of the Eradicator, which is the grade 2, which is on place, can't blast 2 to retire an opponent's rearguard. Here's the SP medals. Items owned 0. Oh, that's unusual. You're supposed to get these medals when you open packs. Yes, you can get 1 SP medal per draw of Triumphant Return of the King of Knights. Why don't I have them? I should have them, right? You aren't in mission. No. No, they're not there. Not a gift box. Yep, that's all the previous things. Haven't bought packs for a while, obviously. Well, it's a good thing I recorded this because I can show this to Bushrod and show them this error. It does say 15 more days, so it's not like the event is finished. And just to show everyone at home, this is what I wanted. Yeah, where is it? It is this one. I would have liked this card in SP, so it would have been the second one. Just seeing if clicking on anything activates it, see if it just needs to catch up. You see, it's given me the other medals up here, you can see them. I didn't need to collect them, they just appear in your inventory. But it didn't give me the other ones. Very interesting. We're going to deck building, and it did say that I was going to show you all the Liberators, so let us edit the Liberator deck. Now we have the shinier things. So this is our little deck here. I think it's quite a cool, very strong little deck. I'm going to cut you guys down, put you up to 4. In respect, an Ezel's probably good, it's just that everything requires a Liberator Vanguard. So I'm trying to avoid that. I think we'll put you up to 4. These guys are kind of cool. On a hit, can't last 1, look at the top 5. We've actually got 3 of them because the SP is not included. This is the 9k that was 12k. One keeper, 2 Blast Blades. I really like this card in the deck, just to unflip damage, because there's a lot of Cart Blasts that get used in this deck. And we've already got our playsets for everything else. I like the one of this. Just having that one-off is very nice. And I like doing my alternate artworks. I like having one of each artwork of things. But what card shall we take down? I like my 12Ks. I also like this. So the 4 of you need to stay. I really like this idea. This is quite cool. I think we're going to have to cut down the 12k. And I think we'll cut down one of you as well. That looks fine for just now. In terms of raid 3s, so I've seen lots of people play the one-off Ezel, I've seen people play the Pelennor. I've seen random people even play the one of Spectral Drip Dragon. But rather strange. I think for the time being, I'm happy with that. So there we are. That's our Liberator deck updated. It's very quickly Glint Edit Eradicator. We still didn't pull the Gauntlet Buster, which sucks because we've only got 3 of him. There we are. This guy isn't quite as good. I'd like to take him down 1, but it's nice having 5 break rides. I've only got 2 of these guys. I don't really like this grade 2 that's Carablast 2 to draw a card, but I was using it because it was Eradicator. Instead, we are going to put in the one of this. I might even craft more of this. I've got enough. I wouldn't mind taking these out of the deck entirely, actually. What I really like is just a playset of this and a playset of these guys. But unfortunately, I have not been drawing them. The only non-Eradicator cards I'm playing in the deck are 4 Desert Gunner Shinden and 4 of Ryan. They are both very good at just removing the opponent's front rows and just allowing you to attack the opponent's vanguard with everything. It's very good for final attacks. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.